Hello everybody and welcome back to Dollar Tree Dinners. My name is Rebecca and it's been a while since I've done a Dollar Tree review. So far I've done a video reviewing the Dollar Tree egg rolls. I have done the Dollar Tree sandwiches, the cheeseburgers, the chicken sandwiches, their little fast bite sandwiches. Did a video a long time ago on the Jamaican beef patties. The other thing I've done are like the Let's Eat frozen entrees. I have a whole Dollar Tree reviews playlist if you're interested in any of them. Today we are going to be reviewing Dollar Tree smoothie starters. They have 3 different flavors. So I have the strawberry, banana, mango, spinach. That's a mouthful. I have the blueberry, strawberry, mango, spinach. Another mouthful. And the strawberry, banana, kiwi, spinach. These are 8-ounce packages each and they don't have anything in them beyond the fruit. So if you look at the blueberry, strawberry, mango, spinach, the only ingredients are blueberries, strawberries, mangoes, and spinach. What I'm usually just curious about is, are they good, of course, but also what's like the ratio of the ingredients in the package. For $1.25, I do feel like they're a pretty good deal. So it says keep frozen until ready to use, empty entire contents into blender, add 1 cup of preferred liquid such as water, juice, dairy product, non-dairy alternative, etc. Blend to desired thickness, adding more liquid as necessary, and then enjoy your smoothie. It even gives some recommendations such as adding yogurt, protein powder, vanilla extract, nut or nut butters, rolled oats, flax, or chia seeds. I'm just going to be trying them as is today, and I'll be mixing each one with some unsweetened almond milk that I also got from Dollar Tree. I do try to kind of set aside my personal preferences whenever I'm doing these reviews and be as unbiased as I possibly can. So the first thing I want to check is like, what is the ratio of ingredients in some of these, especially with the smoothies that have banana in them, because I'm curious to know, banana's a pretty inexpensive fruit. How much spinach is in it? How much banana's in it? Things like that. So let's start with the strawberry, banana, kiwi, spinach. So that's what we're looking like out of the package. So definitely mostly strawberry. I see a couple of chunks of banana, but it's not heavy on the banana, which I appreciate because that's a pretty strong flavor. Looks like we have a pretty good bit of kiwi and actually a pretty good amount of spinach. I feel like this is a really good mix. So these are the 2 chunks of banana that are in there. It's mostly strawberry, a little bit of kiwi, and I'd probably say like 1/4 to 1/3 cup of chopped spinach. So honestly, I feel like that's a little bit better than I expected the ratios to be. Let's go ahead and grab the blender and transfer that in. Try not to lose anything in the process. And the reason I'm mixing all of these with unsweetened almond milk is because I want to see how sweet they are without added sugars to them. Like if you add the coconut water with the mango juice, it would probably be delicious, but this is going to add a lot of sugar into this, and I just want to test its sweetness on its own. Sometimes the frozen fruits I've gotten from Dollar Tree have been a little on the tart side. 1 cup of almond milk. So let me blend that real quick. Now we do have spinach in this, which is why it's kind of this greenish brown color, because you're mixing red fruit with green spinach. But overall, I feel like it's a really nice consistency. Personally, I've never been really much of a smoothie drinker, but if these are good, I will definitely stock up on them. Just a little on the tart side. On a scale of 1 to 10, it's probably like a 7. It's a little on the tart side, as I predicted it might be. Kiwis are a little on the tart side, but also strawberries are a little tart. The banana flavor is very subtle. It is mostly strawberry kiwi with just a hint of banana, which I appreciate. And then, of course, you cannot taste the spinach. I have to say, so far, I'm really impressed. So next, I'm going to try the blueberry, strawberry, mango, spinach. And once again, we're very heavy on the strawberries right out of the bag, but we do have a good bit of blueberries in there and a few chunks of mango. So that's the mango that we get. Otherwise, it is mostly strawberries. This one actually seems to have a lot less spinach in it. Like I'm only seeing, and it could just be the bag that I got, but I'm only seeing a couple of spinach pieces in it. Definitely not much at all. But again, that could definitely just be this one bag. And you can also buy frozen chopped spinach at Dollar Tree if you wanted to add some extra spinach into the smoothie. That would definitely be an option. I'm gonna add 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And let's blend this one up. This one's probably gonna have a lot less of a green color just because there's not as much spinach in it. And it's a nice, beautiful magenta or mauve color. Let's give it a try. It's probably no surprise that I can't taste mango at all, considering there was only a few small chunks of mango in it. It just tastes like strawberries and blueberries. I don't know if I have a preference between the two of them. They both have very similar flavor profiles. I think they're both really good. I'm also gonna have to give this one like a 7 out of 10 because again, it is a little on the tart side. But when you're thinking about flavors like strawberry and blueberry, that's not necessarily a bad thing. It just means that if you like your smoothies a little bit sweeter, you might have to add something like juice to bring it to that sweetness that you want. And then the third and final flavor is the strawberry banana mango spinach, which this one also seems to have a good bit of spinach in it, but almost no strawberry. So this one is much heavier on the mango. So looks like we have a handful of strawberries. As far as banana pieces, that's a mango, I think. I think most of this is mango. So if I'm interpreting this correctly, it's about half mango, half strawberry, a couple chunks of banana, and then again about a quarter to a half cup of spinach. So this one has a really good amount of spinach in it, and it has a decent amount of mango in it. I'm sure there are some inconsistencies between the bags, and I'm only doing the one bag, so I wouldn't be able to tell if it's just specific to the bags that I bought. Without buying multiple bags, I wouldn't be able to know, but I may incorporate them later on down the road into some Dollar Tree meal plans and menus. 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, and let me go blend that up. So there's our third and final smoothie kit, and this one is also on the green side because it had a lot more spinach. Overall, I do have to say I'm very impressed with these for the price. So let's try our third and final Dollar Tree smoothie starter. Much heavier on the mango flavor in this one, no surprise there. The strawberry flavor is very subtle. I'm mostly tasting mango and banana in this one. If you like mango, I would definitely recommend this one. I think it has the most mango flavor to it. It also has the strongest banana flavor. So there are all 3 of our Dollar Tree smoothie starters. I think they're all really good. It just depends on like what your preferences are as far as fruits and smoothies. If I had to pick a favorite between the 3, I'd probably pick this middle one. I just like the flavors better. I'm not the biggest fan of mango or banana, so this one lends to my taste a little bit more. But as far as the 3 of them go, in general, I am extremely impressed, and it's not really what I expected. I thought they would be very tart, especially without having to add extra sugars or fruit juices to them. But I made them all with unsweetened almond milk, and all 3 of them are perfectly delicious smoothies on their own. Tree sells a lot of things that you could add to these smoothies too, like this coconut water with the mango juice. You can add things like their old-fashioned oats to it. You could add some creamy peanut butter to it. I think in general, these are a really great Dollar Tree breakfast option. I shop at Dollar Tree a lot, and I really didn't expect these to be as good as they are. So I'm kind of sad that I hadn't tried them up until this point, but I'll definitely be picking up a few bags here and there as I shop at Dollar Tree. I think they're quick and easy. You can also sometimes find like protein shakes at Dollar Tree, so you could replace the almond milk with protein shakes if you wanted to add some protein content to them, but they are a fantastic find. I think they're really good value. If you guys have tried them, of course, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. It's a really quick video because we only had a few smoothie kits to try, but I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I will see you again soon.